Hey guys, welcome to Pivot Studio channel. We're going to teach you the Gwara Gwara, which is a step from South Africa. We're going to have our legs a little bit wider than hip width apart, and we're going to just work from the feet up to the head. So we're going to start with our foot. You're going to have all your weight on your left leg, and you're going to place your right leg down on its toe. From there you're going to dip in and lift out. Dip in and lift out. Dip in and lift out. So this is our main movement. What's going to happen is we're going to lift our toe off the floor and lift and lift. So we're staying with most of our weight on the left leg, but you're just tapping down with your right leg. You want to have that little turn and twist of the knee and ankle as you do it. Beautiful. What we're going to do is we're going to bring our chest down towards our knee and keep that twist down, 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 down. You can get lower if you want, and then keep that knee nice and little. So it's just moving. So you're just trying to refine the movement instead of doing the huge one. Okay, just bring it in, tone it down a little bit, and then just let it groove. So then what's going to happen is every time your knee dips in, you're going to circle your right arm. Same arm as leg. So you could do little ones with more of an arm, like a little arm, or you could do big arms, entirely up to your style. So you're going to drop, 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 just like you're kind of mixing something, mixing the air. If you want to bring it out, you can. You don't have to do a big arm, you can do a little one, or you can bring it in. You're going to let your shoulder roll with your arm, like it's kind of like you're bowling a ball. That feeling, so your whole body's moving with it. It's not just your elbow. From there, what's going to happen is you want to try to get a little body into it. So you're going to let your chest just roll with your shoulder and let yourself just flow with the step. So remembering this little motion here with the leg. That's what's going to scoop your arm. Yeah? So let's start again. Bending down and scooping with the leg. 6, 7, and scoop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to take it lower and smaller, you can. Good. Beautiful. That's good. So you can add your own, right?
Yeah, that's a big workout.
Yeah, there's a little bit, yeah. A little bit work on that leg, especially with the pushing. So you can make it big, you can make it little. So you can do a nice little groovy Gwara Gwara, or you can make it nice and big, depending on your mood. Yeah. You can do completely different arms. We showed one in a little choreography where we did a little drop. You can do ones where they come around, and back, 2, 3, 4. So completely up to you. Add whatever arms you like, but that's the Gwara Gwara. Ready? Nice and slow.
Hope you learned a lot, and keep practicing and keep dancing, and don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you on the next one.